How to send PiCoin to exchange. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send your PiCoins to any exchange wallets. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Pi network. And then from here, there are certain things that you need to complete. The first one being your verification. So if you tap on the three dots at the top left, from here, you can go to your account section and verification and see if your account verification is completed or not. You have to complete all kind of verifications here. And after you have done that, you are going to have to head over to your main checklist. So there are certain things that you need. So for example, transferable balance, make sure you have certain amount on the transferable balance. And then you can go to the mainnet checklist. So here are a list of things that you need to complete to be able to transfer your Pi coins. Once you make sure that all of your checklist is done, you could just go ahead and use another exchange wallet. For example, in this case, BitGet. So here you can go to your Pi mainnet wallet first, and then you can go to transfer. Now from here, you could just go ahead and click on it. Then you have to unlock your Pi wallet first. So go ahead and enter your password or unlock with a fingerprint. Now, in this case, you can just click on Pay and Requests. Then you can just search for Wallet or any contacts here. So just click on Manually Add Wallet. Now here, enter the amount. Now for wallet address, you can use other exchange networks like BitGet. And here you can just search for your Pi network. Click on Add Funds and then Deposit with Crypto. Then go to Pi network and copy the address. Once you've copied the address here, go back to your Pi wallet and then just paste the address there. You could also add a memo if necessary and then tap on send. So that's how you basically send PiCoin to any exchange wallets. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.